Pavia is one of the progressive municipalities in the province of Iloilo, known today for its rapid development and close connection to Iloilo City. During the Spanish period, Pavia began as a small rural settlement under the jurisdiction of Haro and gradually grew into an organized community. Over time, it became recognized as an independent town, with its identity deeply connected to the Augustinian friars who played a major role in its early development. Pavia started as a small rural settlement under the jurisdiction of Haro during the Spanish colonial period. Some believe it was named after the Spanish Governor-General Manuel Pavia y Lacy, who served briefly in the Philippines from 1853 to 1854 and later became a priest. However, the more credible theorist states that the Augustinian friars who supervised the town religious affairs named it after Pavia, Italy, where Saint Augustine, the founder of their order. The town was formally established in 1848 by 13 pioneering landowners, including Anacleto Hedriana, Marcos Evangelista, Barbarino Makiling, and Constantino Gumban, who organized the community and laid the foundation for its growth. Their vision transformed a small settlement into a thriving town, and today, several streets are named after these founders in their honor. Pavia is a first-class municipality in Iloilo Province, located about 10 kilometers north of Iloilo City. It covers around 27.15 square kilometers and is one of the smallest towns in the province. Yet, it is a regional agro-industrial center. The town has mostly flat and fertile plains, with an average elevation of 19 meters above sea level. The Aganan and Tigom rivers pass through Pavia and support irrigation for farming. As of the 2020 census, the Pavia has 70,388 residents, mostly Ilonggo who speak Hiligaynon. Since 1973, Pavia has held the Carabao Caroza Race Festival every May 3, featuring Carabao pulling bamboo carrozas in a 400-meter race and parade of native-designed carrozas.
Halabirada palumba, literal nga daw binuyan sa turel ang ini nga mga Carabao nga nagpasakop sa Carabao Caroza Festival Race sa Banuas sang Pavia, Iloilo kainas ang aga. Sa tagsakahanot sang rider sa Carabao, amo man ang paindisanay sa mga
The Tigaralag Festival is celebrated every October 30 for All Souls Day, featuring a costume parade and a dance drama contest from Barangay Aganan to the Town Plaza. It was started by Cecilia H. Capadosa in 1992. Santa Monica Parish Church in Pavia, built around 1862 by Augustinians, is a century-old red brick church and the only brick-built church on Panay Island, resembling one in the Pavia, Italy.
Mahang pansasina kaginarahay sa baratiagon kita nagaisa. Pavia sentro kang pagpuswang magapabilin kan.
Iloilo Pavia has a meaningful history that shows its growth from a small rural settlement during the Spanish period into an organized and independent municipality. Through the years, it continued to develop in population, governance, and livelihood. Today, Pavia stands as a progressive town that values its cultural heritage while embracing modernization and development.